Hello, this is Jason from Steps Insitu. Today we're going to give you a quick rundown of the beta client. Hopefully it'll be very close to the final build since we're a couple weeks out before release. So this is the home page when you open this up. First thing you're going to do is you're going to log in. You're going to put in your email address that you signed up through the Users tab on the website when you created a new account. For this I will use Educator, stepsinsitu.com. And then I will log in as the main monitor. Logging in as a participant monitor will put it into pairing mode. So if you have a second tablet, you can do that on the second tablet now. This is the home page. This is for statistics, where you can look up how many times your organization has run a certain scenario. Right now we only have one, but hopefully shortly after release the library should start building up, as we're still currently building up these scenarios into coding. The library is where you will choose your scenario from. High Risk Deliveries is the first unit we have for Steps Insitu. I'm going to select the first scenario. It gives you a little rundown to the right. Your account is basically whatever you logged in as. It'll tell you a little bit of information about how many scenarios you facilitated and participated in. You can log out right from this screen, and you can change your password. Up here at the top, you notice that it says Link Participant Monitor. You can click on that, and that will search for a monitor. If I had the second monitor in pairing mode, it would show up on here as available connections. Here you'll select your scenario, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, based on your team's skill level. You can select your objectives for this from the list of current objectives. For this scenario, you want to click at least 3 objectives, but you can choose more. Perform chest compressions can be increased. How many rounds you want to do for your scenario. How many rounds of epinephrine or saline boluses. And your oxygen delivery method. Here you'll add your team members. You can search from your organizations by name. However, for this beta client, we're just going to use the Steps Insitu Academy, which will be just test clients. How many nurses, doctors, what your test is. And then once you have your team, you can proceed, give the full breakdown. And the next video I will go over what the buttons on the dashboard do.